Every night at midnight, Anna heard a faint metallic tap from her grandmother's old desk. The drawer, sealed tight since before Anna was born, had always been off limits. One restless evening, curiosity overcame her. She pressed her ear to the wood. Tap, tap. She slid a thin knife into the gap and with trembling hands pried it open. Inside, a tiny wind-up bird ticked and fluttered its wings, its beak striking the side in a rhythmic code. Anna deciphered the message. "You are never alone." The drawer fell shut, and the tapping stopped, for now.